Good day, students. Welcome to today's lesson on Drawing Standards, ISO and BECE in Technical Drawing. This lesson is part of your SS1 Senior Secondary School Curriculum, approved by NERDC, the National Educational Research and Development Council of Nigeria. Today we will define drawing standards, ISO and BECE, explore its key principles, look at examples from Nigerian life, and summarize what you need to know for your examinations. Whether you are preparing for your BECE, WAEC, or NECO, this lesson will help you build the knowledge and confidence you need. Let's get started. So, what is drawing standards, ISO and BECE? From the market of Onitsha, to the oil fields of Rivers State, to the groundnut pyramids once found in Kano, drawing standards, ISO and BECE connects your classroom to the real Nigeria you live in. Now let's look at the core principles. These are what you must know for your examinations. Principle 1. This is the basis of drawing standards, ISO and BECE. It tells us what drawing standards, ISO and BECE is, where it comes from, and what it applies to. Make sure you write this in your notebook.